Hello there everyone, welcome back to Arts Authority. Today we will discuss about the topic why do ants not eat scale insects. In this video we will discuss about this topic in detail, so let's start the video. Ants do not eat scale insects and build a mutualistic relationship by consuming honeydew and protecting them. Ants can be a sign of scale insects on a plant that can cause damage to plant growth by sucking the sap. It becomes challenging for a gardener to get control over the heavy infestations when the insects are supporting each other for survival, resulting in an increased population rapidly. An interaction of scale insects and ants can become a problem for plants because they can suck sap from the stem and cause damage to foliage or stems. Scale insects have soft bodies covered in waxy material, which keeps them moist and prevents drying. This outer waxy layer on their bodies help them blend in the environment to avoid predators. They do not eat the scale insects but get attracted to them for other reasons. They do not swallow these tiny creatures having 3 to 10 mm body length. However, the honeydew secretions produced by the scaly insects can be the reason for ants to reach these little insects living on the plant, twigs, stems and foliage. In addition, these sweet secretions are usually present on the outer surface of their bodies. It makes them look shinier and protects them from drying. The sticky material can also be present on plant parts like leaves or stems because these insects are tightly pressed against the plant surface. Accordingly, the sugar-loving ants detect the presence of these honeydew-producing insects by detecting the odor and making an effort to climb the stem and reach them. So they avoid eating and killing the scale insects because they do not want to wipe out their constant food source and help them survive. Ants and scale insects are engaged in a mutualistic association and are known to favor each other for survival by providing food and protection. These little creatures depend on each other as ants need nutrition from them in the form of honeydew, a complex mixture of sugary substances that provides energy. In the same way, the scale insects need protection from them because many other floral bugs can reach the plant and eat the soft-bodied insects. Accordingly, ants ensure their safety from being predated or parasites by other insects because they can provide a constant food source for the long term. These scaly insects also live in ants' nests, usually found in the trees. I found both insects living on a tree in my garden. Their bodies are covered in a powdery material that serves as a peppery tent, making them hide from predators' view, increasing their lifespan. In addition, the sugary poop on plant stems can become a suitable platform for mold or fungus to grow, which can negatively affect the scale of insect growth. The fungal growths can make them unfertile, so ants shift these insects to different locations where the stems are not covered with fungal mats. So they are engaged in a positive relationship because a significant decrease in the population of scale insect is observed in the absence of ants. There are different types of scale insects having flat and scaly bodies that are commonly found living on the plant surfaces as they need plant sap to survive. Some armored scale insects have elongated or oval bodies covered in a waxy layer or protective external scales. Others are soft scales with convex-shaped bodies slightly bigger than armored ones. They look like aphids and mealybugs, but are different behaviorally and apparently. Brown scale insects are commonly found to be living or even dead on the tree bark, as these insects do not fall off the branches. They are known as sap-sucking due to the consumption of sap. In the same way, the ants are dependent on these sap-sucking creatures and get nutrition from their sugary poop. The carpenter ants get attracted to soft brown scales and protect them. The red and white scale insects also occupy plant parts and spend their lives there. They are also known to attract a population of ants toward plants to obtain secreted honeydew. Thanks for watching the video.